Hello, 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 hello. Today we learned about airplanes. They are small and they are slow and they are noisy. And they shuttle people around from place to place in ways which pollute and do not allow individuals their free range of motion and affect their bodies with different pressures in ways. We prefer much more effective and joyous means of transportation. But we must learn about your society in order to get a grip on it in some ways. We appreciate the options which are available. And we will try this again later.